and welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to unfriend someone on BeReal. So watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you'd like to unfriend someone on BeReal, then the process is quite simple. Tab open your BeReal app and make sure that you are logged into your account. Go ahead and select the human icon at the top left-hand corner from the main home page and select the Friends tab from the bottom. All of your list of friends will be displayed on the screen over here. Simply tap open a user and tap on the three dots at the top right-hand corner. Now, click on Remove Friendship from the options. Tap on Delete to ensure you'd like to delete the specific person from your friend list. And that way, you'll be able to get rid of a friend or unfriend someone on BeReal. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.